So needless to say, that cable was not going to go back on, and I tore it apart. Yeah. This is what the inside of the tape deck looks like of a PD100, if you've ever wanted to see it. What I will do, as you can see, there is the roller, the pinch roller. I'm going to save that, because those are valuable to have, because you can't buy them anymore, and have that as a spare. But yeah, this ain't going back together, or even if it did, I fucked it now. So it's disappointing, but luckily this is one of the cameras where I was lucky on eBay and got it really cheap, or a lot cheaper than they go for. But yeah, that pinch roller there, as you can see, if I point to it, those are really sought after, because these top bits tend to go on a lot of these cameras, or DV cameras and high-8 cameras. The rollers tend to go. DV not as much. That's definitely one of the small ones. That wouldn't work on even one of my high-8s, but it would work for a DV camera if ever I come across one with the fault, the C32 and the roller issue. It's good to have that as a spare. Don't know if I can, well, you can see it clearly anyway, I pointed at it, but yeah, I'm going to try and get that out, and then yeah, this is for the scrap, unfortunately. What a, that cable though, and now that it's ripped open, where is it? That's the cable, and there is just, and that's obviously with the entire camera taken out. There's no give there. There's just no way of plugging the fucking thing back in. Oh well. Get the roller off, and yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one.